y'all boys? Yep. Trying something new with the POVs. Y'all probably wondering where the car been at. Truth be told, I'm pretty sure y'all know. I ain't had it. My transmission is fucked up. Just like that. Hopefully y'all can hear me over this, but my transmission is kind of messed up. And we spent a little time trying to get it rebuilt, and it just didn't go as planned. So currently I'm on the way to the shop, and we're gonna get this situated so I can get my car back in action to where it's safe. I also had a baby, so I gotta make sure it's safe for him to ride in. My suspension's a little wocky. Whenever I'm going like 70-ish, it's kind of like shaky. See, look, I don't know if y'all can hear that on the camera, but the transmission was on like But so when I'm going about 70, it's a little shaky up here. Like the steering wheel is shaky. And a guy got up under my car recently, and he told me what to look at, but I don't know exactly what I'm looking at because I don't know nothing about suspension really. And the back left, whenever I hit like a bump, it's like no type of support there. So I think my strut is going out. And that's currently what we're going to do. We're going to go up there and just see if they got time to, you know, check me out real quick. See the transmission. That's what I'm talking about. The transmission is a little rocky. It'll like slip down into neutral for some reason. We thought it was the torque converter. After we rebuilt it, no. So we're just gonna get a whole new transmission and slap it in and hope that that fixes the problem, honestly. I really don't even know what kind of videos to bring y'all. Oh, there's the homie. Dang, he probably leaving the shop. See, it's dropping down in gears now. Hope that guy's not stranded. A lot of stuff been going on. I got new tail lights since, you know, finally mine were a little busted. And yeah, I need new headlights still. I need a new hood as well. And fenders and doors. Yeah, man, right now we're just cruising up to the shop. Might do a little baby pull when we get a little closer. So I just gotta make sure the car is, you know, stable enough for my son to ride in. I really just want to get that. The first thing I really want to worry about is getting that little suspension part fixed up here. Because I really only drive it when I need to. Like when there's not any other car at the house available to be driven. It only does that when I'm like cruising too, like on the streets. So when I'm doing about 70 or 80 on the highway, it doesn't drop down in a gear. It doesn't drop down a gear. It's a nice Beamer. Look at that. Y'all see that? I'm dead. When I'm doing the highway about 70, 80, it doesn't do this. So I drove it all the way down to Texas 2K. There you go again. I drove it all the way down to Texas 2K, and then, I mean, the highway drive was cool. But other than that, you know, it just still drops down gear, like it revs and stuff. Cool V6 RS. I really want a Camaro. If I get out of the Mustang, I'm gonna get a Camaro. If I decide to get another sports car. I want a pickup truck. Lifted ones with like the wheels that poke out a little bit. Then my gas burns excessively because we are definitely not 5 miles away from my house that fast. here, beautifuls. Let's hope that they're still here. If you're not getting your car done here, you're definitely in the wrong spot. Oh, that's Jay's car. Jason's. Oh my god. Hold on, chat. Let me make the call. Alright, y'all. Well, found out we needed inner tie rods, and he said it's probably best if we just do all of them. So let's get this car home and park it for a little bit. That's crazy. Phantom 5.0 is right there, man. That's gonna be a little pretty penny. Not too much though, from what at least I saw. I think majority of it I should be able to do by myself. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed the POV. I'm out.
Gotta maintain, stay on my grind, no I can't be no fool. No I can't slip, no I can't fun, but gotta stick and move. Get out, be all move to LA, well I ain't gotta keep a tool. Surprised, but I knew my dreams coming true. Went and stayed down till I came up with my niggas. Right or wrong, forever right, you know.